Are you tired of Google Lens popping up whenever you try to search for an image in Chrome and just want your old school Google Images feature back? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to disable Google Lens and restore the classic Google Images search experience in your Chrome browser. By the end of this video, you'll be in full control of how you search images so you can browse the web the way you want. All right, let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your Google Chrome browser open. This is essential because all of the options we'll be changing are specific to Chrome itself. If you're using another browser, these settings might not be available or might look a little different. So take a second to open Chrome if you haven't already. Once Chrome is up, have a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a little icon with 3 vertical dots. Some people call it the kebab, others just call it the menu button. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. It's your gateway to all your browser settings, from bookmarking to privacy controls. Now, when you click those dots, a drop-down menu will appear with a bunch of options. Take your time here and look for the line that says More Tools. You don't want to rush this part because it's easy to accidentally click something else if you're in a hurry. Hover your mouse over More Tools, and that will bring up a submenu with even more settings. In that submenu, you're looking for an option labeled Customize Chrome. This is where the magic happens. Click on Customize Chrome, and a new panel will pop up, allowing you to tweak all sorts of things about how your browser looks and works. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment. Sometimes Chrome needs a second to load these advanced settings. Inside the Customize Chrome panel, you'll see a sidebar with several categories to choose from. Click on the one that says Toolbar. This section controls all those helpful and sometimes annoying tools that sit just below your address bar. Scroll down, and you'll eventually spot a setting called Search with Google Lens. Right beneath this, there should be a toggle switch. Here's what you need to do. Click the toggle to either enable or disable Google Lens. If the switch is turned off, you'll be restoring the classic Google Images feature, making image searches feel just like they used to. If you ever find that you miss Google Lens, you can always come back and enable it again with a click. So you're not locked in, and you can experiment to see what works best for your workflow. Don't worry if you don't see the change immediately. Sometimes you'll need to refresh your browser or even restart Chrome to fully apply the update. Think of it like tuning up your car. Sometimes you need to turn the engine off and on for everything to work perfectly. And that's all there is to it. You've now taken control of how Chrome searches images, bringing back the cleaner, familiar Google Images interface while saying goodbye to Google Lens's extra pop-ups, at least for now. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And don't be shy about leaving a comment if you have any questions, issues, or just want to share your experience. I read every comment and love helping you out. And if you want more straightforward, practical how-tos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.